Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to post the second part of the revision of chapter 5 which we were doing in the last video, and today I am going to discuss with you different therapies which are in your syllabus for term 2. So let's begin. So students, as you all know, psychodynamic therapy has been deleted for this year. So I start with discussing with you behavior therapy first. The points under which I will be discussing this would be duration, causes which lead to the problem, then how did the cause. When any question on this comes, you can divide it into, on any therapy comes, you can divide it into columns and write. Your answer presentation will be also good and the points will be also very clear to the examiner. As well as if you arrange it, it will be helpful for you also to remember. Okay, so first let's discuss what is the duration of behavior therapy. Children, it is short, it can be completed within few months. The detailed videos on the therapies also I am putting in the link. Okay, this is only the revision video, but before that I had prepared the videos. I'll be putting the links in the description box, so you can go through it if you want, on behavior therapy or cognitive therapy. Okay, then let's see what are the causes that lead to the problems according to behavioral psychologists. See, behavioral psychologists, as you all know, they consider that the problem arises due to faulty learning. Okay, and then let's see how did the cause came into existence according to a behavioral psychologist. That is due to some improper rewards, okay, or faulty thinking and beliefs. Thinking pattern which we are including could be in cognitive behavior therapy, which is a mixture of behavior and cognitive. Okay, and then behavior therapy means what type of methods will you use for treatment. So in that case, you will be first identifying the faulty conditioning patterns, and then you will be challenging these thinking patterns. You can use different techniques which are mentioned in your syllabus in this, that is reinforcement, negative, positive, and aversive, so on and so forth. Then what is the nature of the therapeutic relationship? See, in this the therapist is going to identify, okay, the faulty behavior and is capable of finding the correct behavior. He is not like you will be doing in the humanistic existential therapy. You will be doing, you will be finding the, so the chief benefit to the client would be adaptive and healthy behavior and reduction in his irrational thoughts. Okay, students, now let us discuss humanistic existential therapy. Again, duration, it is short and completed within 1 month or so. Then if we talk about the what is the cause of the problem, that is the questions about the meaning of one's existence. The client is, doubting his own existence in this, and he doesn't understand the what purpose of his existence. And then now let's see why he is unable to find meaning in his life, because of his, the feeling of loneliness that is disturbing him at the present moment. That would come under the point, how did the cause came into existence. Take. And next point, that is the chief method of treatment. Yes, here the individual is provided with non-judgmental atmosphere, accepting atmosphere, in which he himself tries to find out the meaning. See, for this you have to remember Carl Rogers therapy, that is humanistic therapy, and also existential of Viktor Frankl, Gestalt therapy, you have to remember. The names also you can put up in this chart also and describe them. Then next is What are the chief methods of treatment that you can write that provides the warmth and empathetic relationship in which the individual feels secure, and then the therapy proceeds on. Then nature of the therapeutic alliance would therapeutic relation would be I think I had explained you just now, that is he will be provided with warm and empathetic environment. Then if we talk about what will the benefits the client will be able to get, that is personal growth, by which he is able to understand his own potentials and weaknesses and would be able to find meaning in his life. Okay, so this is what you should prepare. Apart from this, as I told you, between you have to prepare Carl Rogers' approach and Viktor Frankl's approach for these two humanistic existential therapies. Yes, now let's see cognitive therapy. Just from the point of view of revision, let me make it little faster. See, in this you have to discuss two therapies: RET, that is rational emotive therapy of Albert Ellis, and Erin Beck cognitive therapy. So first let me discuss with you rational emotive therapy. In this, the first step is ABC analysis. That is, you must have done A stands for antecedent event, and B stands for the beliefs, and C stands for the cognitions which are being maintaining this irrational belief. Okay, now here, or you can also say consequences. C means consequences. And next is here, through interview, through gentle questioning, non-directive questioning, the person is gets aware of all these irrational beliefs which he has, and in the last step we try to change these irrational beliefs with the rational ones. So this is in short RET. Okay, now let me quickly discuss Erin Beck's cognitive therapy. Detailed videos, I will be posting the link. There are detailed videos on these topics on my channel. You can go through it. Okay, so here in this, the persons develop some code schemas, that is their belief system becomes such. If in for example, a child has been pinpointed or neglected by the parent at in his childhood, that I am not wanted, for example, now that schema will get more fixed in his beliefs when he gets a negative comment from his peers or from his teachers also. So now these schemas will be changed in this therapy. Then these patterns of thoughts are called dysfunctional cognitive structures, and which we change in the therapist change through non-threatening questions, gentle questions, and interview and everything. And in the last, the same way as we did, the irrational thoughts are changed into rational ones. Then last, you have alternative therapies. In this you can mention number of therapies like acupuncture, you can mention meditation, you can mention yoga, and particularly when you are appearing in your exam, you should know about the sky. And one more term was there, I think, Kundali yoga and Vipassana meditation. For this you can just read it from your NCERT. Okay, that's all for today's video. And if you are finding it that these videos are helping you, even if you don't remember anything, whatever I had put on the slides which I am preparing especially for you all, if you put up this much only in your papers, 60% marks I can assure you. Okay, thank you and share my videos.